For a million years ago, the world was both familiar and alien. The continents stood much as they do now. The skies were the same blue. But the humans we know did not yet exist. It was the late Pliocene. The climate was cooling, grassland spread across Africa, and in these wild plains, a small upright walking ape began a new chapter in our story. Our ancestors then were Australopithecus afarensis, males about 1.5 meters tall, females just over a meter, brains only a third our size, but smarter than any other creature. They had long arms for climbing, yet walked upright, creatures of both tree and ground. Small groups foraged for fruits, roots, and nuts. Meat came rarely, scavenged from predator kills. There was no fire, all food was eaten raw. Every meal was a race against other animals. Africa was a patchwork of grassland and woodland, dotted with rivers, lakes, and danger. Saber-toothed cats stalked the plains. Giant hyenas roamed in packs. Crocodiles lurked by the water, with no weapons but sticks, stones, and each other. Survival demanded constant vigilance. They lived in bands of 10 to 20, communicating with gestures, calls, and expressions. Grooming built trust. Everyone protected the young. A single mistake could mean death. They were nomads, following food and water. A dried riverbed meant moving on. Migration was risky. But staying too long meant starvation. They had no crafted tools yet, but they likely used natural sharp stones to cut meat and sticks to dig tubers. These were the sparks of problem-solving that would one day shape civilization. As forests shrank and savannas spread, walking upright became an advantage. To spot predators and travel far, it was the beginning of an evolutionary experiment. For a million years ago, we were just another species fighting to survive. No fire, no language, no cities, but the seeds of humanity were there, waiting to bloom.